Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Today, we're diving into some critical economic updates that could shake up your investment strategy. First off, the consumer price index numbers for this month just hit the wires. Inflation clocked in at 2.5%, just under the anticipated 2.6%. Now you might wonder, what's the big deal? This dip suggests the Federal Reserve might soon start cutting rates, which is typically great news for the markets. We're seeing inflation levels reminiscent of early 2021, edging closer to the Fed's 2% target. Expect a possible 25 basis point rate cut next week, which could ease borrowing costs and give households some breathing room. Switching gears to Bitcoin, the CPI news triggered a price drop, breaking below the 5 EMA support at $56,600, plunging to $55,500. Right now, Bitcoin's struggling to reclaim that 5 EMA. Currently, the 5 EMA is at $56,260 on the hourly chart. If Bitcoin can't recover above $56,600 soon, we might not see the momentum needed to push higher. Looking ahead, key resistance levels to watch are $60,400 and then $62,500. With quad witching on the horizon this week, expect some wild price swings. How these rate cuts and other macro events influence Bitcoin's price will be fascinating to watch. Stay tuned for more updates, and let's see how these developments unfold. If you found this analysis useful, smash that like button, share this video, and subscribe if you haven't already. Your support keeps this channel going strong. And see you in the next one.